Namaste to everybody. All are aware that in the whole world the pandemic situation is continuing. In this occasion, since we are not in a position to go for the physical meeting, our All India Bank Retiree Federation, Karnataka State Unit has taken the decision to go ahead with the virtual meeting as a test case, because our membership is large in Karnataka and thousands of retiree members are interested to participate. That is why our organization has taken the decision under the leadership of Comrade Vishwanath Nayak and our team that we are all trying our best to make this virtual meeting as a grand success. You are all aware that major issues pertaining to the retirees, such as updation of pension, family pension, which is agreed by the IBA, but it is pending in the government level. Only we are expecting within a short time a positive result in this regard. Subsequent to that, the issues like medical insurance, gratuity, 100% neutralization, etc. These issues are the main issues. Generally, every retiree is expecting to know the result in this regard. The virtual meeting, which is going to be held on 1st May, which is a very important day for the working class movement, Mr. S.C. Jain, who is All India General Secretary of All India Bank Retiree Federation, is going to address this particular virtual meeting, and hundreds of participants are going to participate in that meeting to know eagerly about the developments. It is an occasion for all our members to get the details from the General Secretary and also to deliberate very effectively. In this connection, I request all our members to participate very actively, systematically, in a disciplined way, and we are confident that many developments will be known from the horse's mouth, that is our beloved General Secretary, Shri S.C. Jain. Again, I am requesting with all of you to participate and also to make use of this platform, the Zoom meeting, and also trial meeting is also going to be held on 28th. So definitely the details have been given by our General Secretary. All our people are well aware. So with this I conclude. I again wish all the retiree members and also retirees all the best to take care about their health and also the health of their family. With this I conclude. Thank you. Thank one and all.